Hello and welcome to my super fast winged eyeliner tutorial. So I like to use an eyeliner pen versus a gel just because I think that they're easier to work with. So that's what I'm using here. And I like to start off by doing the line across my eye first before I start on the wing. And the way that I like to do the wing is I start in the corner of my eye and I flick the liner upwards and outwards. And then I basically just connect those two lines and I fill in the space and I go back over everything, just making sure that I'm smoothing everything out, making the wing as sharp as possible. And I always have to remind myself that my liner is never going to be perfect. Winged liner is never perfect. So I just try to get as perfect as I possibly can. So that's what I'm doing with my other eye. I'm just flicking that line outwards and upwards. I'm connecting those two. And then I spend the rest of the time making sure that it looks as perfect as possible until I am satisfied with it. So I know winged liner is hard. It definitely takes a lot of practice, so just keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it eventually. I still struggle with it all the time. But anyway, thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!